When the song come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
go ahead.
She gon' do that baby mama
work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama. Drop
it down, drop it down, down low. Drop it down, drop it down, down low. Drop it down, drop it down, down low. Do the baby mama when I step out on the floor. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4. Hit the baby mama when I'm stepping through the door. Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I got an ill flow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda Rose, but you can call me Rosie. Today I'm making a turkey chili in the crock pot. This is my first time ever making it in a crock pot and not a regular pot on the stove. Usually it takes me about an hour, but obviously with the crock pot, I can just let it cook while I go to work. So I already got started here, of course. I added my ground turkey meat to the crock pot along with some vegetable oil and some white distilled vinegar. I always add that to my meats before I cook them just to kind of clean it off, and you do not taste it at all. And on top of that, I added my sazon packets, 2 sazon packets for color and for flavor, of course. If you haven't tried it, try it out, girl. And along with my sazon, these are my staple seasonings. I add these basically to every meal. Some meals require a little more of one than the other. I'm sure you have staple seasonings. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to change mine up. So we've got a great mix here. Just adding all the seasonings in. And then my, again, staple sauce. I use Goya tomato sauce for almost everything too. And then I will add some water to the can, of course, to just get the remainders, and also just add some water to the meal. And chili can be considered a type of soupy food, so just adding a bit, not too much. And then I have some honey barbecue on top of that with cinnamon, and trust me, it hits the spot. And of course, you have to have some corn to your chili. And my goodness, the great thing about the crock pot is it doesn't even matter when you mix things in. As long as they're just mixed in, it all gets cooked together. I guess I just have an order of adding everything in on these videos just to show you, because it's a video. But you can add everything in whenever you feel like. And you'll see what I'm talking about after I get these beans in here. And then we mix it on up yet again. You see the meat is starting to look a lot more tender now. And this is what I'm talking about, just adding ingredients in whenever you want, basically. I forgot about my onions and tomatoes. These tomatoes I'm bringing for later to dice up and just put them on top of the chili, but this tomato I'll add in there. So here we are, diced up to the best of my ability, and feel free to add in your own peppers. I just didn't have any at the moment, but yellow, red, or even jalapeno would give it a great flavor and kick. And you can also add in some cilantro. If I had some, I definitely would. And get ready for the slow-mo mix. Oh yeah. Get it all in there. Alright, so we're ready to start cooking. I actually started prepping this at 8 a.m. and I had work at 10 a.m. So you don't have to wake up that early. I just naturally woke up that early and was like, let's just get this going. So I had work for 6 hours that day. So I just set it to 6 hours on high, which could be a little too much. I might have to change it later on. So like I said, I started this at 8 and it was now time for me to get to work. I checked on the turkey meat and it looked like it was already starting to cook a lot faster than I expected. So thank God I did check it. and I had time to change the settings. So you'll see here, I'm actually gonna change it to low and then keep it on for some time because it'll automatically go down to keep warm after it is cooked. So it's not like it completely turns off. So this actually ended up being perfect, the perfect amount of time for this meal. Okay, so just got home from work and I'm ready to check the crock pot. It is already on the keep warm setting.
Crockpot.
Because it's finished. That's it. Let's check it out. And voila, we are all done. So it was a total of 5 hours and 30 minutes that this actually cooked in the crock pot, because the 2 in the morning and then the 3.5 while I was at work. It actually ended up being a little more soupy than I expected, but it did work out in the end. It fed about 8 to 10 people, and we topped it with avocado, sour cream, and tomatoes. So good. It only took me, I don't know, less than 20 minutes to prepare. So for all of you who think that it takes so much time to prepare the crock pot in the morning before you go to work, girl, it is not. Like, you just throw everything in there, you mix it up, and then that's it. If you don't want things mixed up, you just layer them, and that's it. Thanks for watching. May God bless you with his peace, with his wisdom, with his truth, and with some good food and some good company. Till next time. Bye.